I'm Huma and I work as a hair technician and hairstylist for Superhairpieces. For hairpieces and hair system, I'm working more than 15 years. As a hairstylist, I'm working around like 20 years. Basically, I'm in this industry because of me, because I'm happy to make people happy. Book and consultation, and according to consultation we discuss what they want, how they want to look, about the hair system, what type of like hair want, what type of the system, what type of the base they want. For the beginner it's like always different because people has like different choices. Some they want to go like more thicker, more durable. It totally depends on the person. How they take care of the system stay longer. We teach them like how to take care of the system. They has to use leave-in conditioner, they has to use like a special like brushes. I personally like to recommend my all clients, keep the detangler on them, keep like a good brush with them. On top of that, nowadays it's like more things in the industry, leave-in conditioner, good shampoos, good conditioners. They has to have something handy to them in like a to-go box.